siya, luto na siya. Ayan, luto na siya. Luto na siya. Double burger, darling ko.
Are you recording it?
Yeah. Double burger. Honey, can you deal?
Yeah.
Or maybe one piece on the other bread?
Maybe one. You want a double burger or a single? You only got 2 buns. You can have a bun and a bread or a double.
Maybe do it like this. It's easy to eat like this. Hi. Yeah.
Wipe them all off real good. That way
Oh,
it's not-
diba, guys?
Wipe all the way off.
Diba, guys? Kidding.
Is it coming off?
That's for my sweetie pie. He don't like anything else unless it's mustard. Ito lang ang gusto niya sa kanyang burger. Diba? Okay, darling, it's ready, my love. Pa. Oh, diba? Nakaluto na si ako for my sweetie pie. Han! It's ready na dong. Ano dong? Mukhang na ka dong. Wala ba di dahon dong? Walang dahon ito because he don't like it. He like it plain and simple. Plain burger daw. He likes it plain. Wow, looks great. Oh, diba? No veggies, no veggies. He just want it plain for now. Oh, ayan, Han. Bok. La 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 la. Now I'm gonna cook my food. Now it's my food to now I'm gonna cook my food. Kakain na rin ako. Kain na muna dyan kasi ako po ay magluto ko sa akong palaya sis Imbe. I don't have any kuan. Alam mo itong akong kain na kayo dyan. Kain na kayo. Nakalamok at among balay. Ganyan lang ang aming balay. Ayan na, palaya. Magluto ako o palaya, sis Imbi. Ang palaya sa'yo. Ang palaya at kanin. Already na ang sa aking darling at sa akin ay may karni at ang palaya at itlog at rice. Ha, sa travel live? O, nag-live, hindi pa ako makapasok. Mamaya pa. Nandun pa ako. Nakatambay lang doon si Sis Jean.